Hello, my name is Fabrizio Trifoglio. I'm the product manager for wall fans in scope, and I have more than 20 years of experience in ventilation system. The Blue family has grown. This is the new BF62. This fan is the biggest direct drive fan that you can find in the livestock market. And as you know from the rest of the family, the focus is on high performance, energy efficiency, long durability and intelligent design. High efficiency motor combined with the customized design of the impeller gives the possibility to release the maximum flow rate at the minimum energy consumption. Saving on installation cost and low electricity bill will ensure you a very quick return of investment.